Welcome to the training video that answers the question, what is the first grade eNumeracy screener? The eNumeracy diagnostic screener for first grade is an individual performance assessment to be given to every first grade student at the beginning of the school year. The district provides an easel binder with the assessment, examiner score sheets, and progress monitoring information to each first grade teacher. If you don't have your binder yet, please contact your learning liaison and they will ensure you receive one. The easel binder allows the binder to stand up on its own on a table or desk between the student and the teacher. The teacher has their examiner score sheet and something to write with on their side of the binder, and the student reacts to the visual stimulus provided on the student side of the binder, as well as any verbal directions the teacher might be prompted to give on their side of the binder. As we see the student side of the binder in this example, the student is presented with practice items so that they will understand how the items in this section are formulated and what sort of response is expected of them. The corresponding teacher side gives directions to the teacher to demonstrate the item type, which in this case is about ordering numbers that come after the provided numbers. The teacher is directed to say about the first item that the number that goes in the blank is 4, because when we count, 4 comes after 3, and then prompt the student to tell what number goes in the blank on the second item on the page, or what comes after 6. Once the teacher is assured the student understands, then there are more items to try for which the teacher will record student responses on the examiner score sheet. The examiner score sheet is found behind the first divider in the easel binder. There are 10 copies that are provided to you initially. When you run out, the examiner score sheet is posted on the Math Personalized Learning site for you to print and copy. You will need 1 copy for each of your students. As you can see, the score sheet is divided up into several sections. What isn't clear from this picture is that the examiner score sheet for the first grade eNumeracy screener is 2-sided. Watch the next video to learn more about the various sections in this assessment.